In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the guest favorite badge on Airbnb. If you want your listing to stand out and build more trust with potential guests, earning this badge can make a real difference. The good news is that Airbnb automatically evaluates listings for it, so your focus should be on consistently delivering a great guest experience from start to finish. The first thing to do is make sure your listing is complete and accurate. Write clear, detailed descriptions of the space and use high quality photos that honestly show what guests can expect. This helps set the right expectations and reduces the chances of disappointment after check in. Next, keep your calendar and pricing fully up to date. An accurate calendar helps prevent double bookings or availability problems, and current pricing makes your listing look more reliable and professional. Small details like this can have a big impact on the guest experience before the stay even begins. It's also important to respond quickly to guest inquiries and booking requests. Fast communication shows that you're attentive and dependable. Even a short, helpful reply can reassure guests and make them feel confident about booking with you. Once guests arrive, your property should be clean, safe, and well equipped. Cleanliness is one of the biggest factors in guest satisfaction, so make sure the space is properly prepared every time. Safety and basic functionality matter too, from working locks to essential supplies and amenities. You'll also want to provide a smooth check-in experience with clear instructions. Guests should know exactly how to access the property, when they can arrive, and what to do if they need help. The easier and more stress-free the arrival process is, the better the overall impression. Another key point is to deliver the amenities and features exactly as described in your listing. If you mention certain conveniences, make sure they're available and in good condition. Consistency between your listing and the actual stay helps build trust and leads to stronger reviews. After the stay, encourage guests to leave honest reviews. Reviews play a major role in how Airbnb